Good lunchtime, sandwich fan, Sandwich Dad here, and today I'm going to make myself a grilled cheese sandwich. I originally intended to make it quite a simple grilled cheese, but I also have a lot of condiments in my fridge I need to use up, and this one I particularly like, a French mustard from Gravelburg. We're going to paint that on our first piece of bread. I also have these shallot confit here. This is something that you can make yourself if you'd like. If you just slow cook some shallots or even garlic or onions in oil, you can make something like this, but my fridge is currently about 70% condiments, and I got to use some of these up. So, shallot confit, French mustard. This is a soft Italian bread, by the way, but if you thought it was too fancy, here is some processed cheese, as my kids call hamburger cheese. Best melting cheese, obviously, for a grilled cheese. On to one of the best pulling cheeses, which is this mangled last slice of Havarti I found. I'm also going to throw on some sprinkle of chopped green onions, and then just a handful of shredded old cheddar cheese. In Canada, we say old cheddar. You may say mature in the UK, or strong elsewhere. We'll put the hat on, spin it around, and there is our not yet grilled cheese. Here is the griddle. I decided to get a little extra fancy. Butter in a pan, and the rest of my shredded cheese. We're going to cheese crust this grilled cheese. Put it in the hot pan. Once we start getting some nice little latticey edges there, take it out, flip it back on the cutting board. Looks pretty good. Add some more butter to that hot pan. A little bit more cheese. Spread it nicely around. Make sure we have a nice base for the other side of the sandwich. There we are. Get a bit fiddly with it and pop it back in. You can also put a lid on to ensure premium meltage. More lattice there, and let's see how side 2 went. Flip. Pretty good. Cheese-crusted grilled cheese with French mustard, shallot confit, cut diagonally, and reveal. Oh, nice melt, nice pull. Spin it around, crunchy crust. Looks pretty good to me. Not necessarily the best bread to use. I maybe should have used like a nicer sourdough or something, but the crust looks nice, the cheese looks nice, the confit shallots oozing out as well as the green onions. Let's give this premium gilded grilled cheese taste test. Here we go. That is beautiful. Look at that. Just the right amount of meltiness and pull. A little bit of onion and sweet confit shallot in each bite. I promise I was just going to make a basic grilled cheese with processed cheese and butter in a pan, but sometimes inspiration strikes, and when it does, it can be delicious. I've been Sandwich Dad. This is my sandwich. Good lunchtime, and good day.